Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting data. Backup chats to Google Drive or iCloud so you can restore personal messages later. Next, make sure you have the business phone number and admin privileges. WhatsApp only deletes accounts when you control the number. Once confirmed, open WhatsApp Business and unlink any web sessions and paired devices. This prevents residual connections. Do this now so you can proceed without interruptions. Once devices are cleared, you'll move to remove business-specific content. Next, remove all business-specific content so customers don't see incomplete listings after deletion. Go to Business Tools and delete the product catalog, remove labels, and turn off automated messages and quick replies. Then edit your profile, clear address, hours, email, and website fields to avoid orphaned info. Also disconnect any payment links or commerce integrations. These can persist outside WhatsApp. Doing this reduces customer confusion and prevents third-party services from retaining. Finally, perform the irreversible step. Open Settings, go to Account, then delete My Account, enter your country code and phone number and follow prompts. You'll receive confirmation steps, complete them and wait for the process to finish. Once done, uninstall the app and manually delete any backups from Google Drive or iCloud, and consider dereferencing the number with your carrier. If deletion doesn't complete, contact WhatsApp support with the phone number and error details. They can clear stuck records or advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.